Windy City Wire has implemented a quick and easy feature for tracking your orders. With this feature, you do not need to be logged into your account to get your tracking details. Start by clicking on Track Order at the top of the screen. You can then search for your order in several ways by providing either your order, invoice, or ticket number. You can also search by job or PO number, but you'll also need to provide your customer number as well. After successfully providing one of these search criteria, you'll see a breakdown of your order, including its status within our system. If you see the status as picking, your order is still being processed and has not yet shipped. If the status is completed, your order has been shipped, and you can either copy the tracking number or, more conveniently, click on the View Tracking button to open your shipping methods tracking site. If you see several tracking buttons and information, this is due to multiple invoices under the same purchase order and will each have its own unique tracking info. For any questions or for more information about your order, reach out to your Windy City Wire sales representative today.